I just want to let y'all know how crazy my drive home gonna be. These niggas out here is drawling. Real shit. These niggas out here cannot drive. I want y'all to see this shit. Look at this shit. Look at the trees. Oh! I'm in my bag right now driving home. Look at this shit here. They so lucky I can't zoom in on these asshole faces. Four-wheel drive, baby. Feel like, look at this dickhead. Look at this dickhead. People acting like fuck faces in the snow. You see this shit? Oh my God, do you see this shit? He don't know where the fuck he going. All that fucking snow in his car. About to hit the lady. Oh, let me hurry up and speed up so y'all can see this shit. He fuck around gonna hit this lady. Look at this dickhead over here like he ready to keep going to hit me. Oh my God. Something not running, boo-boo. Something is not running. You gonna be a walking ass. Alright, you see I'm still driving. You know, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna videotape while I'm driving. Multitasking. Let y'all see this drive home. The electric factory. Oh! Holler. Oh, they plowing over here. Look at, check this shit out. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of curses. I'm off tomorrow. I ain't got to be back out here in this shit after the night. Hey, that's a big ass plow. Y'all see that shit? Check this shit out. Look at him. Look at that shit. That's a plow right there. Let me roll the window there so y'all get a real look at this shit here. That's a plow right there. This is some cool shit here. He getting it in. Get that check out. Get that check. Roll the window up. Brother got the heat on. Back to my route. Get back on my route. Get right back on my route. They out here drawing. Yeah, y'all see it. Automatic, four-wheel drive. My shit on auto. Real shit. All four of these suckers is moving. Oh, they getting stuck out here. Look at this over here. Look at him. Look at the dude in front of me. Look at him drawing. Look at him drawing. You see this nigga? You see this nigga tires? Don't back up and hit me. Don't back up and hit me. I will fuck you up. Drawing. This is what I be saying, people. Look, he out here drawing. Look. I want y'all to see it. He out here drawing. On a red light, out here drawing. On a red light. You see him? Dickhead. This is why I be accidents. This is just why I be accidents. People out here drawing. Like this shit ain't a game out here. This shit ain't a game out here. This shit is real out here. Yeah, it's definitely real out here. Let me just snow off my shit. It's definitely real out here. Had to get the snow off my mirror. Couldn't see behind me. But it is definitely real out here. Straight up. They out here playing in this shit. This shit ain't a game. It's real out here. I'm bored. I'm in here listening to slow music like I got a biddy in the car with me. Light still red, drawing. I want y'all to see how deep the snow is. Look at this shit. Roll this window down for y'all. Look at this shit. That is not a game out here. Look at this shit. Look at the pole. That is not a game out here. It's that. Oh, all right. I'm gonna let y'all get a better look. Look at the fire hydrant. Look at the fire hydrant. You can't even see that shit, dog. Look at the pole. It is not a game out here. Real shit. Look at this shit. Look at everybody cautiously driving. It is not a game out here. It is not a game. I'm about to go because I can't even. You know what I mean? I'm twisting and turning a little bit, but this light must be broke. So we gonna move to go through this one right here and keep this thing, keep my puppy moving. You know what I'm talking about? He said, brother got to get home. It's rough out here. Sound like something wooing on my shit. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. We sightseeing and moving. Car stuck in the middle of the street. This shit ain't a game out here. Look at this shit. This shit is crazy. I just want y'all to see what I'm doing. Let y'all see what I'm doing. Look at this. It's down there up to the steps. They talking about 12. Shit looking like 18. This is what I'm talking about. See, this is what the AccuWeather and all that be lying. Fraud asses. Mother Nature's definitely on her period. And she bleeding heavy today. God damn. This is nothing nice. Ain't nothing nice out this piece. Look at this shit here. Will somebody look at this? Will somebody look at this? This is out of control. Why is y'all plowing anyway? It's still going to snow all night. Oh my God, look what I got to come up to. Look at this. Let me stop the windshield wipers. Look at this idiot. He plowing the shit out here so niggas can get stuck. This is bullshit. These plowers is even ignorant. They don't give a damn about nobody but making that change. Damn. Look out for the motherfuckers that's driving. Oh my God, this block ain't even plowed. Look at this shit here. When you look at this, let me roll a window down. When you look at this shit here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. When y'all look at this, yeah, I'm giving y'all all of this shit. All of it. They ain't got the classics playing. Like I'm getting bucky naked in the car. Look at this shit. They can't even park on the street. They parked on the... Look how he parked his motherfucking car. Drawlin'. Can you say it again? Drawlin'. Look at that. Look at that. Got to be more careful. And we go... Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at the trees. This is beautiful. Oh! Check me out. Check me out. Look at this. Look at the scenery. Look at the scenery. All right, let me roll my window back up. I paid my gas bill. Fuck that. Window back up. Gas is high. Window back up. Let's get it clean. Back to my shit. Yeah, I'm repping PPA. Back to the room. Let y'all see the kid for a second. Yeah, I'm in my bag right now. Oh, let me let me get it together. I bag out, motherfuckers be laughing because I was being an asshole by videotaping. No, I can multitask. I'm the shit. But back to the road. Shit real out here. Everybody just flying past the stop signs and shit. Like ain't look like you the only one on the road because it's 12 o'clock. Actually, it's 12:11. You see it. I mean, make sure to stop this shit from shaking. 12:11. But oh man, like this shit crazy out here. Real shit. I hope these people know SEPTA is not running till further notice. I don't know why, they big ass buses. But, the city scheming. Look at this shit here. This shit is crazy. All this snow. You can't even walk. Look at this shit. Baby, look at him up here. Look at him up here. Oh, they lucky this fucking iPhone they got zoom in. This damn 3GS. Oh my God, this is like an accident. Oh! Peep my style. Peep my style. Peep my motherfucking style. Look at this shit. Look at this shit here. Look at this shit. This one idiot trying to push another idiot. And just because he got full-wheel drive. People be doing a goofy shit. Rudeness. You ain't going nowhere. Look at him. He's steady trying to push. Doo-doo face. Doo-doo face. That little ass fucking off-road ass shit you got. That shit ain't doing nothing. Trolling on yourself. I got y'all right on the book. I'm gonna have y'all right on the book. Let me stop my windshield wipers. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Will somebody look at this shit? I gotta wait for this motherfucker over here to stop. Cause he act like he ain't gonna stop. Trolling. Look at this shit. Trolling. He's still trying to go. Trolling. Look at all of. Trying to help somebody. He pushing. Trolling. Ain't nothing happening, homie. Ain't nothing going on over there. Idiots. Let me get my windshield wipers back popping.